Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to perform accurate decimal calculation. If we need to perform accurate calculation with decimal numbers and don't want the small errors, then we can use a decimal module in Python. Let's see how to use it. First, we are going to import it from decimal, import decimal, and now I'm going to create a decimal number. This need to be uppercase. Here we are going to represent decimal as inside a single code. So the x value is set to decimal number. It's going to be 5.2 and y is set to decimal 6.1. And now I'm going to add these two values, x plus y, and we can also print this, print x plus y, and we can check the result. And here is the result. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.